Hello crocheting friends, welcome to another tutorial on my crochet channel. I don't really know what it is about puff stitches, but I really enjoy making them, and today I want to present you yet another lacy scarf with puff stitches. Make sure to check out my other tutorials for lacy scarves. I have quite a collection of them on my crochet YouTube channel. The dimensions of this scarf are approximately 70 inches long and 9 inches wide. To make the scarf, I used Snuggly Wuggly yarn by Loops and Threads and a hook size G, 4.5 millimeters. But before we start working on this tutorial, I would like to briefly mention that I'm running a sale in my Etsy pattern shop for all of the women's patterns, which include scarves, shawls, hats, and more. All the crochet patterns for women in my shop will be 30% off for the next 1 week. Alright, let's get started working on this scarf. The pattern is quite easy and there is only one repeating row. The multiple for this stitch is 10 plus 3, and for my scarf I start with chain 43. 1, 2, 3. Here I have 43 chains and I'm ready to start my first row. Into the first chain from the hook I will make 2 double crochets. We never count the chain on the hook, we always start counting from the next chain. 1, 2, 3, 4. So into this chain I make 2 double crochets. 1, 2. And these 3 skipped chains over here will count as my first double crochet. Next I make a double crochet into each of the next 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now I skip 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain I will make a puff stitch. Yarn over, I insert the hook and draw up a loop. Then again yarn over, into the same chain I insert the hook and draw up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook and draw up a loop. And I do it one more time. So I did it a total of 4 times and now I have 8 loops on my hook and this chain. Now yarn over and I draw yarn through 8 loops. Now I have 2 and again yarn over and I draw yarn through both of them and my puff stitch is ready. Next I make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will make a double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now I will skip next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain I will make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just the way I did over here, I will now make a double crochet into each of the next 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And from this point all I need to do is to repeat this portion of my pattern. I will skip 4 chains, I will make a puff stitch, then I will make 4 chains on the top, and I will make 5 double crochets, and I continue crocheting this way until the end of the row. Here I am at the end of row 1. I just made a puff stitch and I have 1 more chain left, and over here I made 4 chains, but at the end of my row, after the last puff stitch, I will make only 3 chains. 1, 2, 3, and I will end with a double crochet into the last chain. So now my first row is complete, and this is what it looks like. I start row 2 with 3 chains and turn, and these 3 chains will count as my first double crochet, and now I make 5 double crochets into the next chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Next I'm going to skip this puff stitch, and I'm going to skip 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next double crochet I will make a puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, just like I did in row 2, I will make 4 chains after the puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now into this chain space, I will work 5 double crochets, just the way I did over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now again I skip the next puff stitch and I skip 4 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next double crochet I make a new puff stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then again 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, and into the next chain space I make 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I continue crocheting this way until the end of this row. Here I am at the end of this row. I just made a puff stitch into the 5th double crochet after skipping 4 double crochets, and now I have 1 more double crochet left, and I will finish this row with 3 chains, not 4 the way I did over here, but only 3. 1, 2, 3, and I make a double crochet into the last double crochet. And this is what it looks like after 2 rows are complete. And now all I need to do is to repeat row 2 for the pattern, and my scarf will look the same on both sides. And all I do is just repeat 1 row. And here I repeated row 2 a couple more times, and the pattern begins to look very pretty. And over here my scarf is pretty much complete, and this pattern gave me a very nice straight edges, and the top and bottom will match without any additional rows of single crochets or double crochets. So all I'm going to do now is to fasten off and enjoy my crochet scarf. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed my video and what kind of other crochet video tutorials you would like to see on my crochet channel. And if you would like to get notifications for my future crochet video tutorials, please subscribe to my crochet channel and hit the bell button. Thank you. Happy crocheting and happy October.